In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install from a GitHub build. Whether you're new to GitHub or simply looking to understand the process better, I'm here to walk you through each step clearly and concisely. So let's dive in and get started. First off, we need to open the GitHub repository where the project you're interested in is hosted. You can do this by entering the URL of the repository in your web browser, or simply searching for it directly on GitHub's website. Once the repository is open, direct your attention to the right side of the page. Here, you're going to look for the Releases section, often located just below the repository insights. Click on Releases, or you might find it convenient to visit the URL appended with Releases to quickly access available files. Now, once you're in the Releases section, it's time to download the file that best fits your operating system. You'll see a variety of files, and I'll break down some common formats to help you decide which one to choose. If you're using Windows, you might see files with extensions like .exe or .msi. Files like program.exe or setup.exe can be double-clicked to start the installation process immediately. These are often straightforward and require you to follow the installer prompts, which is quite user-friendly. Sometimes you'll encounter a program.zip file. For this one, you'll need to extract the contents of the zip archive first. You can do this by right-clicking on the zip file and choosing to extract all, or using a compatible archive program if you prefer. Once you've extracted the contents, look for an executable file, typically named with the .exe extension, and double-click it to run and follow any installation instructions. If you're on Mac OS, you might see files with the .dmg extension. Double-clicking these will mount the disk image, similar to inserting a disk, allowing you to drag the application into your Applications folder to complete the installation. Similarly, for Linux users, you'll often find .appimage files, which you can run directly once you've made them executable. By now, you should have successfully installed the application from the GitHub build onto your system. Remember, each type of file requires slightly different handling, but with these instructions, you should be able to navigate the process smoothly. Just ensure that you're downloading the correct version compatible with your specific system requirements. Thank you for joining me today on this GitHub installation tutorial. Make sure to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy coding and exploring!